Welcome to the Intermedia HostPilot control panel, where administrators can manage the full suite of Intermedia services. For this demonstration, we will focus on Intermedia Unite, our all-in-one unified communication and collaboration service. When a company purchases Unite, service always starts with the administrator using our provisioning wizard, which guides them step by step through the quick process of defining their business locations, ordering devices, managing phone numbers, and creating and managing users. Once the users have been provisioned, the administrator has access to features such as our automated attendant, with voice menus to greet and route calls for the entire business or specific locations. Automated attendants are simple to set up and easy to manage. Changes are as simple as dragging and dropping. Administrators have quick access to a list of all the phones and other hardware devices on the account. A simple online shopping cart experience is used for adding new peripherals and devices. As high-quality audio and video engagements are important for businesses, our Quality tab offers access to quality of service reports for calls, meetings, and webinars, which allows the administrator to see quality over a specific time, and also look deeper into a specific call for further details. The Reports and Analytics tab allows the administrator to view both user and contact center reports. The user report details specific data around calls, whether unanswered, inbound, outbound, or internal, and allows the administrator to look at calls over time. The contact center reports allow the administrator to view the right KPIs for managing specialized support or sales groups. KPIs important for these groups include talk time, total calls, and total time that agents have been logged in. More advanced reports are found in our Contact Center tab. The Apps and Integration page allows the administrator access to our desktop and mobile apps for the Unite client or any meeting video conferencing client, as well as our Secure Sync, File Sync and Share client. In addition, we provide access to our suite of user productivity apps, including Outlook, and our Chrome Click-to-Call plugin. We also offer a full suite of business productivity integrations for popular services such as Salesforce, NetSuite, and many others. Thank you for viewing this brief overview of the HostPilot control panel for administrators.